First off, let me just jump right out and say this. I feel like throughout this entire video, I was looking at the viewfinder instead of you guys. So please forgive me. I am so sorry. It's been a long time since I've done one of these sit down videos. So I just want to get that out the way in case somebody says, stop looking at yourself, girl. Look at us. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. So today I am going to be doing a comparison of the Chanel boy bag medium and the Chanel classic flap. Both of these bags are in caviar leather, also with gold hardware and in the color black. So yeah, let's get into it and let's talk about it. Hey girl, my name is Diamond Mine and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. So today I will be doing a comparison of my Chanelies, also known as Chanel bags. Now I have started a little small collection with the Chanel bags. I do own currently 4 Chanel bags. So today I am going to be talking about my Chanel boy bag and the Chanel classic flap. So the first bag that I'm going to start off with is the Chanel boy bag. This was actually my first purchase. I purchased this bag almost 2 years ago and I just started wearing it like within the last 6 months. Just because of COVID, I decided to just start getting back outside and wearing my beautiful items. And the main reason why I haven't been wearing this bag as much is because I don't want to spray it down with Lysol after coming in from outside. So I did write down a couple of details on the boy bag that I want to share with you guys. This is the boy bag, and again, it is in caviar leather, gold hardware. I'll get a close-up so you guys can see. Can you see that? So the boy bag comes with a closure design where you just simply clamp these two together, and then it opens up into a single flap. I have my stuffing in there. So the leather on this is very soft, so over time it is going to lose its shape. Green fabric in the inside and then one pocket here. So with this bag, at the bottom and on the corners, you're going to notice that it's going to lose its shape over time. Bag organizer or a base just to help with keeping the bag from drooping over time. And so the measurements on the Chanel boy bag medium is 5.9 by 9.8 by 3.8. So I'll just turn it all the way around so y'all can see it. That's the middle, that's the back. And as you can see, the back doesn't come with like any type of pockets or anything. This is a double strap wearing bag, so it comes with the chain straps and then it also comes with the leather strap. Now you also can adjust the straps if you need to, in case it's just maybe a little too long or too short for yourself. As of right now in 2022, the Chanel boy bag medium can run you from anywhere from $5,000 up until $6,000. It just really depends on the style, the color, and when the bag was made. I gravitated more towards the caviar just because it's a lot more durable compared to the lambskin, and I just honestly like that pebble look. That's pretty much the specs on the Chanel boy bag. Now I'm going to move on to the Chanel classic flap. This is the Chanel classic flap. The measurements on the classic flap is 5.7 by 9 by 2.3. Caviar leather with the gold hardware. One of the main differences between the boy bag and the classic is the lock. So this is a turn lock closure, okay? And then in the inside, this is a double flap. I think they used to make the single flap. So if you're able to find a single flap, it's pretty much going to be vintage at this point. So this is what the inside looks like now. It does have a pocket or a space in the back of this flap, but I'm not going to dig inside of it because I have my ring on and I do know that it will scratch the inside, but it's pretty much the same size as the inside of the bag. Okay, and then of course it has a beautiful burgundy Chanel leather in the inside. So cute. So then it comes with 2 pockets in the inside. That's what the burgundy inside leather looks like. And then it comes with 2 pockets in the inside. And then it has another pocket here. And then think that's it. Yeah, this too comes with the double strap where you can wear it single. It's kind of hard. Or you can wear it single, or you can wear, I don't know why mine is so hard to pull through like that. Or you can wear it double. It's all about a preference thing when it comes to how you want to wear these bags. And of course, with this particular bag, if you only want to wear it like as a top handle, you can do so. Now the straps are not adjustable, by the way. With these chain straps, it does have the gold hardware continuing throughout, and then it has the black leather in the inside. So worry about the bottom of the bag losing its shape. It's pretty much a structured bag. Thing that I do want to mention about Chanel, in case you're unaware of, which we all should be aware of, especially if you own a Chanel by now, Chanel increases pretty much every year on their purses. So if you've been eyeing a Chanel and you have the funds to do so, I would say go ahead and purchase it right now, because in the next couple months or a year from now of you seeing this video, it will definitely be a increase. That is for sure. The resale value on Chanel is just insane. So that's one thing that I will say about the Chanel bag, is it is a true investment. But some vintage bags, people may have only paid a couple $1,000s for, and now some vintage bags can go anywhere from $5,000 to $7,000, maybe more. I mean, it just really depends on when you bought your Chanel. Honestly, I wish I would have got into Chanel when I started buying Louis like 5-6 years ago, because it just would have been a lot more cheaper, and I definitely would have been able to sell a bag or so and get my money back and some. And I just feel like now where I am as far as the starting point, I'm not going to be able to get my money back and some right now. Maybe like in a couple years from now, but who knows where the world is going to be in a couple years from now. So you're trying to make a decision on which bag to purchase or which bag to purchase first. Here's what I would do. Okay, I would look at how often you're going to be wearing the bags and to where you're going to be wearing these bags, because they're, in my opinion, they give two different vibes. So with the boy bag gives more like a chill vibe. Don't get me wrong, you can dress this bag up or down. Either way, it's going to give a vibe. However, I do feel like with the boy bag, it's going to give you more, it's more like a relaxed look. It's more like a super chill look. It's more like a purse you can wear with sweatpants, you can wear with jeans, you can wear with a denim jumpsuit. Like, this is your go-to bag for just like casual streetwear, just super chill, super relaxed. Like, this is that bag. T-shirt wearing, this is that type of bag. When it comes to the classic flap, it too can give off a vibe. The classic flap gives me like a dress up vibe. I mean, you could definitely wear this as like with a casual look, but it just, to me, it looks better when you're dressed up. It's just a more classy dressed up look. Like if you're going to a wedding, this would definitely be the perfect bag for a wedding. But one thing I will say with the classic, it gives a little bit more of a mature vibe. It gives a little bit more dressed up vibe. Two things to just keep in mind when trying to make a decision about these bags is the price point and where you're going to be wearing these bags to. Honestly, me being the girl that I am, I feel like I get a lot more wear out of the boy bag just because I wear a lot of casual stuff. I wear a lot of streetwear clothing. Like, this is more me every day. Honestly, if you're trying to think about which one to purchase, I would go based upon price point. This one is going to be a lot cheaper. You're going to get a lot more bang for your buck. And honestly, unless you're the type of person where you dress up every single day, you're going to get a lot more wear from the boy bag. Now, you can definitely get these in different sizes. I'm actually thinking about selling this one and getting the small size instead, because I do feel like this is really big for me. And I would just prefer to have something a little bit smaller that I could wear every day compared to something that is this big. When it comes to purchasing a Chanel bag, I would start off, me personally, I would start off with something a little bit more smaller, but maybe something that is not as expensive as the classic, so that you can get a feel of the Chanel leather, how it does, its durability, resale value, if it goes with your wardrobe, if you're wearing it a lot more. I just feel like there are several things that you can do before making such a huge investment into a purse. I myself personally started off with the wallet on chains. I always get those mixed up, but it's WOC. So wallet on chain. And I love it. I love the vibe that it gave. I love the compliments that I got with it. I love that it was hard to find other Chanel bags that are super cute that I actually am thinking about going to purchase and selling one of the other bags because they're so cute, but they're not maybe as trendy as the classic or the boy bag is right now, but they're definitely cute bags that I feel like will make their way around time and is still a timeless piece. Just do your research. If you can go to a Chanel boutique, I would definitely recommend doing so that you can get a feel of how the bag feels on you, if it looks good up against you, if it matches your body frame. All of those things are important when wearing a bag because you want to look comfortable when wearing it. Yeah, this was just like a little quick video showing a comparison of the Chanel boy bag in medium